9 ways to lower blood sugar levels naturally. Number 1. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber slows carb digestion and sugar absorption. For these reasons, it promotes a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Furthermore, the type of fiber you eat may play a role. Foods that are high in fiber includes vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains. Number 2. Drink water and stay hydrated. Drinking enough water may help you keep your blood sugar levels within healthy limits. In addition to preventing dehydration, it helps your kidneys flush out the excess sugar through urine. One observational study showed that those who drank more water had a lower risk for developing high blood sugar levels. Number 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is known to have many health benefits. It's been shown to improve insulin sensitivity by decreasing insulin resistance at the cellular level. Studies show cinnamon can also lower blood sugar levels by up to 29%. It slows the breakdown of carbs in the digestive tract, which moderates the rise in blood sugar after a meal. Number 4. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you get to and maintain a moderate weight and increase insulin sensitivity. Increased insulin sensitivity means your cells are better able to use the available sugar in your bloodstream. Useful forms of exercise include weightlifting, brisk walking, running, biking, swimming, and more. Number 5. Never skip eating breakfast. We've all heard that breakfast is the day's most important meal. This is especially true for those who have diabetes. Besides, eating breakfast may help overweight people with type 2 diabetes shed extra pounds. Number 6. Manage your carb intake. Your body breaks carbs down into sugars, mostly glucose, and then insulin helps your body use and store sugar for energy. When you eat too many carbs or have insulin function problems, this process fails, and blood glucose levels can rise. Number 7. Eat fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a great source of soluble fiber, which can help manage blood sugar levels. Many studies have shown that fenugreek can effectively lower blood sugar in people with diabetes. It also helps reduce fasting glucose and improve glucose tolerance. The recommended dose of fenugreek seeds is 2 to 5 grams per day, although this varies from study to study. Number 8. Eat foods rich in magnesium. Studies have linked individuals with the highest magnesium intake with up to a 47% lower risk for developing type 2 diabetes. Magnesium-rich foods include dark leafy greens, squash, and pumpkin seeds, tuna, whole grains, dark chocolate, bananas, beans. Number 9. Get enough quality sleep. Getting enough sleep feels excellent and is necessary for good health. Poor sleeping habits and a lack of rest can also affect blood sugar and insulin sensitivity.